Say it again.
That's a lot of people over there.
What's a lot of people over there? What is going on over there? Yo, another day, another dollar. We're your homeboy Jermaine and getting this vlog started off. We down in Long Beach right now. What we doing? What we got going on today?
I have no idea, just having fun.
You know me, I already had 2 falafels for some really good Mediterranean restaurant right over there.
Also, if you get hungry, I have a $25 gift card to Chipotle.
You got a $25 gift card to Chipotle?
Yeah.
Dang, that sounds like love, yo. Well, you want Chipotle later?
Yeah, we'll find one.
But there's actually some pretty good food down in Long Beach. I think we can probably pass on Chipotle.
Okay.
And save that from when we're back in like LA. Dang, that was hella close, girl. What you trying to do? Knock me off my BB? Is that what you trying to do? Is that what you're trying to do? So what we about to get into right now, we about to go head down to Long Beach. We're in, I forget, some shores right here. This is Heather's neighborhood, actually, believe it or not. We're gonna head down to Long Beach, like the downtown area. We're gonna cruise around there for a little bit and then head back here because you parked over here, right?
Yeah, I parked like 5 minutes away.
And me, I just took the board and took the train all the way down here. That sort of thing. That is what your homeboy Jermaine is done today. But for now, we're about to cruise on this this little trail. I really like this trail because it's not that sandy like Santa Monica. And it's not as busy as Santa Monica either. It's not as windy as Santa Monica, so you can really cruise at top speed. Yeah, I mean it's just a little bit, but just right here, once we get just past this like loop, it's really nice and it's good to go. Anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Yeah, I know. Well, the wind, we got the wind that's not on our side right now. It's crazy windy. Look, I'm trying to save battery. Let's go through this parking lot. I believe there's a Starbucks right up here if I'm not mistaken. Wait! You heard that thing? It yelled at me. Don't be yelling at me. Y'all hear this, son?
Wait.
Keep pressing.
Wait.
That man yelled at me.
Wait. Ocean. 1% is on the cross.
Oh, we got it. We can cross.
1% is on the cross.
We found a Starbucks right over there. Time to go charge up. Time to get a charge. Alright guys, so this Starbucks, red flag. Power doesn't work, so they have plugs but none of the plugs work, and majority of the plugs are patched up, so we got to find some place around here that's close where we can charge. I believe there's a Coffee Bean like right over here. I mean, there are businesses, we just gotta go find that spot. You good?
Yeah.
thing. It's nighttime. Getting ready to go, right?
Yeah.
You getting
it's
ready
been
to take
fun.
off? It has been a lot of fun.
Yeah, hopefully
chilling.
I get to see you back in like a couple months.
Yeah,
I'll
for
probably
sure.
head to your hometown.
Yeah, you should come up to SF.
Yeah, either that or we can meet up at New York.
Yeah, New York, NYC, West Side Highway. Yeah, but peace out. Have fun. I'll see you
Alright, see
around.
ya.
It was fun hanging out.
See ya.
Peace out. Got here on the beach now. It's really dark. You can't see anything. But there's some bathrooms right over here. And I found an electrical plug. I thought it would be an electrical plug nearby. So I'm going to charge up just a little bit.
You gotta unplug it.
Huh?
You have to unplug it.
Unplug it?
Yep.
Oh, unplug. Are you security?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I thought maybe it was someone else. Hey, I made it. I'm almost back at the train, and I got, I'm flashing red, but I'm almost there. I'm almost back. It's just like over to the left, and I'm pretty much there. I had to go really slow, by the way. I wasn't cruising the whole time. That dog scared the crap out of me. I've noticed dogs around here definitely don't like electric skateboards. Let's see if there's a plug here somewhere. Tap on. Well, I guess no plugs at this station. I'll cross my fingers that I can charge on the train, yo. Alright, back downtown now, and I was crossing my fingers I would get the opportunity to charge on the train, but that didn't work out. What is this? Is this the wrong way? Is this not the right way? I thought this was straight. Yeah, well, anyway, let's gonna go to a Starbucks and charge really fast. And I don't know how I'm gonna upload this video. It's been really, really difficult uploading videos lately because the internet's like just crazy slow. Alright, here's the first Starbucks. I'm not gonna charge here because I wasn't able to find plugs at this one, but there's another Starbucks that's like 2 blocks away. We're gonna go over to that one. One thing I've noticed about downtown LA, there are so many Starbucks here, and half of them are new. Like this one's new, and the one I just passed, that one's pretty new. And I noticed that everyone's on the phone in LA too. Everybody's on the phone driving. You just gotta watch out for that, especially when you're skating at night. Cars may not stop because they may not be paying attention. Oh my gosh, look at that dog. So for all you people that just watched the live stream, it wasn't today's live stream, but yeah, I'm sitting in the same spot by this statue. If you did watch the live stream, you probably will know about this statue. But yeah, this game is out. It looks like it was a hockey game. Yeah, a hockey game. So looks like it's time for me to get ready to dip out because it's about to get crazy over here. So let's get ready to dip out. I think I'm gonna end this vlog. This vlog has been fun. I'm gonna go edit this vlog and try to upload it tonight, so that way it will be out and it will be available for you guys tomorrow, that sort of thing. But yo, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. Yo, peace out, peace out. Man, I got these hot dogs out here, right? Man, these folks out here getting this money, man. They got them hot dogs, yo. some bacon hot dogs. I'm out.